Japan is one of the world's major economies, with a strong financial sector, making it an appealing location for investors. Mutual funds in Japan let investors diversify their portfolios by investing in stocks, bonds, and other assets. In this video, we'll look deeper at some of Japan's largest mutual funds, explaining what they invest in and why they've become so popular with investors. 1. Nikko AM Topix Index Fund. The Nikko AM Topix Index Fund is among Japan's most popular mutual funds. This fund tracks the Tokyo Stock Price Index, Topix, which includes many companies listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. It comprises equities from various industries, including technology, healthcare, and consumer products, providing a broad exposure to Japan's economy. This fund's cheap expenses and broad market exposure make it particularly appealing to investors. It's an excellent alternative for those who want to invest in the Japanese stock market without selecting particular stocks. The Nikko AM Topix Index Fund exposes you to a diverse range of Japanese firms, reducing the risks of single stock investments. 2. Daiwa Japan Equity Fund. The Daiwa Japan Equity Fund is another significant mutual fund in Japan that focuses on Japanese stocks. This fund, managed by Daiwa Asset Management, seeks to invest in growth-oriented companies from various sectors. Its goal is to generate capital appreciation by investing in firms with excellent fundamentals and growth potential. This product is appropriate for investors seeking exposure to Japan's corporate behemoths and fast-expanding businesses. The Daiwa Japan Equity Fund, which focuses on long-term growth, appeals to individuals looking to benefit from the Japanese economy's general growth. 3. Nomura Japan High Yield Bond Fund. Nomura Japan High Yield Bond Fund is one of Japan's largest fixed-income mutual funds. This fund focuses on high-yield bonds issued by Japanese and international firms. Its purpose is to offer investors consistent income from the interest earned on these bonds. This product is particularly suitable for investors seeking consistent income with the possibility of higher returns than standard government bonds. However, larger yields come with additional risk, as high-yield bonds typically have weaker credit ratings. Still, if you're looking for income and are ready to take risks, this fund could be a good addition to your portfolio. 4. Mitsubishi UFJ Japan Growth Equity Fund. The Mitsubishi UFJ Japan Growth Equity Fund invests in Japanese firms with high growth potential. Mitsubishi UFJ Trust and Banking Corporation manages the fund, which looks out for companies that are market leaders in technology, healthcare, and consumer products. This fund is particularly appealing to investors seeking capital appreciation. It has a track record of finding firms that have the potential to provide above-average long-term returns. The fund's emphasis on growth-oriented companies makes it popular among investors seeking strong returns. 5. Sumitomo Mitsui Japan Equity Fund. Sumitomo Mitsui Japan Equity Fund is another important player in Japan's mutual fund industry. This actively managed fund invests in diverse Japanese equities from multiple sectors. Sumitomo Mitsui Asset Management manages the fund, focusing on identifying undervalued firms with high growth potential. Investors are drawn to this fund because of its active management style, which seeks to outperform the market. For those who want a more hands-on investment strategy, the Sumitomo Mitsui Japan Equity Fund allows them to invest in Japanese companies that index funds may overlook. 6. Tokyo Marine Japanese Equity Fund. Tokyo Marine Asset Management runs the Tokyo Marine Japanese Equity Fund, one of Japan's most significant equity mutual funds. The fund generally invests in large-cap Japanese companies, focusing on those with consistent profitability, solid market positions, and long-term growth. This fund is intended for investors who desire stability and are ready to invest in established companies over high-growth startups. It's especially appealing to cautious investors searching for consistent returns over time without taking on too much risk. 7. Mizuho Japan Income Fund. The Mizuho Japan Income Fund is one of Japan's leading mutual funds, focused on producing income for its clients. This fund invests in a combination of bonds and dividend-paying equities, providing stability and the possibility of income growth. This fund is particularly popular with income-seeking investors, such as pensioners, who want a consistent income stream while being exposed to the Japanese market. The mix of bonds with high dividend equities reduces volatility, making it a more conservative investing choice. 8. BlackRock Japan Funds. The BlackRock Japan Fund is managed by one of the world's top asset management businesses. This fund focuses on a diverse range of Japanese stocks from various industries. Its goal is to generate long-term growth by investing in large and mid-cap firms with good fundamentals. BlackRock's worldwide knowledge and research capabilities help this fund uncover the finest possibilities in the Japanese market. Investors searching for international exposure to Japan frequently choose this fund because of its outstanding record and reputation for effective management. 9. SBI Japan Growth Fund. The SBI Japan Growth Fund, managed by SBI Asset Management, focuses on small and mid-cap companies in Japan. These startups frequently have greater development potential than larger, more established businesses. The fund aims to invest in firms primed for significant growth, particularly in technology and healthcare. This product is ideal for investors seeking aggressive growth who are ready to accept the increased risk associated with smaller companies. It provides a unique opportunity to capitalize on the ingenuity and vitality of Japan's developing companies. 10. Nikko AM Global Equity Fund. While it focuses on global equities, it remains one of Japan's largest mutual funds, thanks to its strong domestic following. This fund invests in companies worldwide, including Japanese firms, to provide investors with a diverse international portfolio. The Nikko AM Global Equity Fund is an excellent alternative for Japanese investors seeking domestic and overseas market exposure. One of Japan's leading asset management firms manages it, providing worldwide diversity while retaining Japanese equities. These mutual funds are Japan's largest and most profitable investment options. Whether you want growth, income, or wide market exposure, there is a fund to meet your objectives. Japanese mutual funds provide diverse options for domestic and international investors, including index funds, actively managed equities, and bond funds. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.